Welcome, I'm Jeannie. I'm sitting in a grassland in southeast Tennessee. Today I'd like to try a thought experiment. Albert Einstein used thought experiments to imagine things that couldn't be observed directly. I'd like to imagine something different. Let's imagine we're northern bobwhite quail. Would we want to live here? If I were a northern bobwhite quail, I'd be looking for a few important things. I'd need food, water, cover, safe place to raise my young. I'd be searching for seeds and insects to eat. I'd need plants that give me places to hide and move through. I'd need the right mix of open spaces and dense vegetation to help me survive. So the question is, do we have what a northern bobwhite quail needs here at this nature sanctuary? Fortunately, some of my amazing students are doing research, working with partners to try to figure out, do we have the habitat that is needed in this grassland for the northern bobwhite quail and other native species? And if not, how can we get it? One of the things we're looking at is timing of prescribed burns. What's best for biodiversity? Habitat is more than just a place where an animal lives. It includes everything it needs: food, water, shelter, space, place to reproduce. But every species has different habitat needs. What makes a great home for a bobwhite quail is different than what makes a great home for a fish, salamander, or aquatic insect. The thing is, the greatest cause of species endangerment is habitat destruction. Grassland restoration is something I'm just learning about. I've been studying stream restoration for a very long time, and I'll talk about that in future episodes. Restoration can make a real difference, but restoration takes time, knowledge, resources, and years of work. Protecting healthy habitat before it is degraded is even more effective. One of the best investments we can make is protecting the habitats that are already thriving. Think about it. What species do you love and want to protect? The only way to protect them is to protect their habitat, their home. Remember, science belongs wherever you are.